For track day or autocross, what pyrometer readings are best as far as temperature variant? 5 to 10 degrees question. The actual numbers that you get, like whether you're in the 70 degrees Celsius or 80 degrees Celsius or 90 degrees Celsius, it's going to depend a lot on the temperature of the day. It's definitely going to depend on the track surface you're running on, and most importantly, it's going to depend a lot on the tire you're running, both in terms of its construction and its compound as well. Also, the tire pressure comes into this as well. Obviously, we generate a lot more carcass temperature when we run lower tire pressures, just because you're getting all of that extra hysteresis or flex in the tire, so it really builds up a whole lot more temperature. So to get to your question here, as far as how much temperature variant you're looking for, it really comes back, it's pretty similar to what I said before. I'd be looking for a minimum sort of 10 degree split from inside to outside. Maybe going up to 15 degrees is also safe. Once you start getting much more than sort of 15 degrees temperature split across the tire, that starts to be getting a bit too much typically from the inside edge, and you're probably going to be heading a little bit further away from your optimum. So I would say definitely start with 10 to 15 degrees across the front tires in particular. Looking at your static alignment settings, certainly when you are mentioning your OEM alignment. So I'm not sure if you said it in here or if it's what I've seen before, that particular model Mustang has a strut, McPherson strut in the front end. If so, you're probably going to be wanting to run significantly more than 1.2 degrees negative in the front. So if you have the ability to adjust that down at the hub, if you do have a McPherson strut in the front, that would definitely be a way to do it. I don't know if that's allowed in your rules or not. Otherwise, you're kind of stuck with what you've got if you don't have the ability to adjust the alignment. But after that, you can still find a lot with mucking around with things like tire pressures and stuff as well to get the most out of the car. That question was taken from one of our free live lessons. If you like free stuff and you want to expand your knowledge, click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson. You'll learn about optimizing the performance and handling of your car on the racetrack, as well as improving your skills behind the wheel. Plus, you'll have the chance to ask your own questions, which we'll be answering live.